In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a power steering reservoir on a Nissan NV2500 that is located in the Engine Bay area. You want to remove your cover and remove the fluid in the reservoir. Reinstall your cover. After you install your cap, you need to remove both of these hoses. Before you do that, you want to put a pan underneath to catch any fluid. Push your clamp down the hose. Remove your hose from the reservoir. Do the same for the other one. On the back side of your reservoir, you're going to have a metal tab. You want to pull that metal tab out and pull up on your reservoir. And there's your reservoir. When installing your reservoir, you're going to have a groove on both sides here. You want to slide those on here and here. Take your reservoir, slide it down onto the grooves, and lock it in. Now reinstall your hoses. And your clamps. Remove your cap and fill your reservoir to the manufacturer's specifications. Reinstall your cap and clean your area.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.